I'm Davis Kansenza. I did my studies at Polytechnic back in 2008. That's when I left the college. I did technical education, which comprised of wood, metalwork, and plastics. After that, immediately after my graduation, I went to teach at Longo Technical College, where I was teaching the students how to use the machines in the wood section. So while I was teaching, then I started the business, Davina Furnishers. The name Davina is a combination of two names. Davis, I'm Davis, and Christina, my wife. This name was created back then before the Davina Furnishers thing. It was created by our classmates, because Christina was my classmate. Being my wife, I always involve her in my business, and she's the one who's directly involved with, directly carrying out the operations thing and stuff. To me, a wife is a capital when you involve her directly in the business. If you don't involve your wife in the business, no, you cannot achieve a certain part of greatness that you're inspired to get. Davina Furnishers came in as an accidental thing. I remember it was the time I was trying to make some furniture for my own house. So while I was doing that furniture, a colleague came and to buy that furniture. Then another colleague. Then the news started going outside beyond our campus of Longo Technical College. Then we started having customers from the outside. We started with 2 guys as Davina Furnishers. Today we have over 75 guys who are helping all the activities that are happening here at Davina Furnishers. We have the full-time employees and the temporary workers, but many of the guys, like say 70% are the full-time employees. 5% maybe we are talking of those who outsource the services. So in terms of helping the society, I know from our part as Davina Furnishers, we are cushioning the government in terms of job employment, job opportunities. In the same way, again, we are training the unskilled laborers, because one can come here at Davina Furnishers who are like somebody who's not skilled in any area of our area of work, but then we start training them, then they become experts in the area. So we are indeed helping the community in different forms, in terms of employment, in terms of training, and other areas. Any business has the challenges that faces, but for us, maybe I would say competition, whereby we are still competing with those people who are still importing the furniture. It's like they're still not trusting what the local manufacturers are able to bring on the market. But we can challenge today that if these guys come in and try to see what Davina Furnishers is making today, they should be able to be convinced and say, I think there's no reason to use our precious forex instead of just buying from the local manufacturers, because we believe that from the feedback that we've been getting from the customers, we are indeed meeting what people already get from what they are from the other type of furniture they import as well. So we are meeting the kind of demanded quality what the customers want on the market. So they should stop importing, rather buying from the local manufacturers, not just from Davina Furnishers, but from any other people who are doing the furniture kind of business. While we are still making the furniture thing, doing what we call Davina Furniture thing, recently we have introduced, not officially, we have introduced what we call Davina Technical Training Center. Our goal, our main aim as we go in the years to come, we want to have a technical training center that will be equipping the youth that are hopeless, those who didn't make it into maybe say the government institution training centers, the technical training centers. So I want to get those kind of guys who are hopeless somewhere, a guy from Chitiva, a guy from Sanje. We bring them here, then we train them, we equip them with the large skills. After that, after they graduate, maybe we help them, we cushion them with a little capital, then they go. So to ask about our main goal in years to come, we want to turn into a formal training institution. I think in business one should not be scared to push his idea. Malawi is like a virgin country. It still has a lot of opportunities. If you take Davina Furnishers to America, it will not even call attention. But in Malawi, or people are able to see us just because it is a virgin country. Any idea that you can take it from the ground here in Malawi, you should be able to excel with it. But again, what I've been discovering in the process, many of the youth are just scared of what if. The what if thing never exists. Just push your idea. If it works, it works. If it fails, it fails. You come up with another idea and you push it. So it's a way of putting your ideas on the ground. Start whatever thing you want to do. Don't be scared. The market is there. Opportunities are there. Malawi has few competitors than other countries. It's a developing country as it is. So let's keep pushing. Don't be scared. I'm kind of lucky because I get a lot of guys in my office, especially the youth, coming in asking for the ideas, asking about what they can do with their life or what steps they are supposed to take in order to achieve success. So in the process of getting those kind of information from the youth, sitting down with the guys, talking about the ideas and everything else, I've discovered that, in the process I've discovered that many people lack patience. What they want is to do something today and they achieve it tomorrow. Life is never like that. There's a reason why many of the books indicate that when you're setting up your goal, you should talk about 5 years, how you'll be able to accomplish whatever thing you do. Because if you plant a mango tree today, you should expect 5 years to start reaping from that mango, from that mango tree. So to imagine it inside you, to say that if I plant a mango tree today, next year I'll be able to harvest the fruit from that mango tree. It means you have planted something that is not in the organic form, something that will not last for long. Personally, I have a different definition of what greatness is. To me, greatness is not necessarily one is centered in getting himself with riches, but greatness is about having an impact to somebody's life, having an impact to the society, having an impact to the nation, helping others to achieve their goals and everything. So in the process of me as Davis pushing for whatever I do with Davina Furnishers or any other business that I do today, I do this much to help others, to help the community, to help the nation. So to me, once I achieve that and I touch the souls of people, that's what greatness is to me. My name is Davis Kansenza. Inspire greatness.